Are your NSIS apps crashing due to the Nsdialogs Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start the walkthrough for Nsdialogs Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Nsdialogs Library, a specialized localized NSIS, Nullsoft Scriptable Install System plugin. It facilitates the localized creation of custom user interface pages during the software installation process, bridging localized script-based UI calls to the unmanaged Windows Win32 API. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because Nsdialogs Library DLL is specific to the NSIS runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Nsdialogs Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Nsdialogs Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Nsdialogs Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Nsdialogs Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.